Picture this, you are researching rivals for your product and your desktop looks like a storm. One tab for pricing pages, another for feature lists, a third for tech blogs, and a notes file that never catches up. Today I will walk you through RivalForge AI, my multi-agent competitor intelligence desk built with Agno and Streamlit. It discovers rival URLs, extracts structured website data with Firecrawl, builds a comparison table, then writes a strategic opportunity report. This is not a magic market oracle. It is a practical research pipeline you can run and read. Manual, competitive research is slow and fragmented, and a single chat prompt often invents soft claims with no crawl behind them. You ask, who are my competitors? And you might get 3 names with no pricing, no stack, and no proof from the live sites. Competitive intelligence really has 4 jobs. Discover rivals, extract facts, compare them side by side, then analyze where you can win. RivalForge keeps those jobs in stages so each tool stays sharp and the final report has evidence under it. Meet stage 1. Dasona Pro XAA finds about 3 competitor company URLs from your company URL, your description, or both. Extract. Firecrawl crawls each rival site and fills up identical schema with pricing, features, tech stack, marketing focus, and feedback. Meet stage 3. Compare. Pandas builds a side-by-side table you can show stakeholders without opening 20 tabs again. An OpenAI GPT-4o analysis agent turns that structured JSON into market gaps, weaknesses, and differentiation ideas. On the screen, Streamlit gives you a wide app, sidebar for API keys, main pane for URL description, and the Analyze Competitors button. You keep this mental map. Input in discover URLs, extract facts, compare rows, analyze strategy, report out. Let me give you a concrete brief we will reuse. Imagine a B2B project management SaaS at your company. Come with a short description of 5 or 6 words. Or try description only like an AI-powered customer support chatbot for e-commerce. Or URL only like Notion. So when you want the discovery engine to infer the category from the live site. First, look at the real folder layout from the GitHub repo so nothing feels mysterious later. At the project root you will see app.py. That file is the Streamlit endpoint. pyproject.toml, readme, me, and a RivalForge package folder. Schemas, py agents, py discovery, py extraction, py reports, py, and a tiny init file that marks the folder as a Python package. Your gitignore should hide virtual environments, cache, and secret env files so keys never get committed. Requirements. Trust with me in Visual Studio Code. We will read every dependency line. The first line is Firecrawl Py at version 1.9.0. That is the official Firecrawl client for website extraction. The second line is DuckDuckGo search version 7.2.1 or newer. Agno can use DuckDuckGo tools when an agent needs a light web assist. The third line is Agno version 2.2.10 or newer. That framework gives you agent tools and the model wrappers we will call. The fourth line is Streamlit version 1.40 or newer. That is the interactive UI shell for the whole pipeline. The fifth line is OpenAI version 1 or newer. Analysis and Exa based discovery travel through the OpenAI client path. The sixth line is Pandas version 2 or newer. Comparison tables become data frames that Streamlit can render cleanly. The seventh line is Pydantic version 2 or newer. Our CompetitorDataSchema lives here, so Firecrawl extraction stays structured. The 8th line is request version 2.31 or newer. Perplexity Discovery posts JSON over HTTPS with this library. At pyproject.toml, it names the project RivalForge A version 1.0.0. At requirements 3.10 or newer sets the MIT license and points homepage and repository to the GitHub URL. Author metadata list Sharad Khare and hello at Sharad Khare in matching the readme credit. Competitor intelligence Firecrawl, Perplexity Exa AI, multi-agent AI, Streamlit and Agno. So the package identity is clear. Open RivalForge/config. File the small settings file. The first line sets app.py to RivalForge AI. That string becomes the Streamlit page title you will see. ORCT and AUH/GHUB are project credits. They document who built and maintains this desk. In an AUH/GHUB points to GitHub. com/Sharad Khare equals git4. That is the brain for Agno agents in this project. Equals Sonar Pro. That is the discovery model when you choose the Perplexity path. URL points to the Perplexity chat completions endpoint. The HTTPS address discovery will post to. limit equals 5. That caps how deep a crawl helper may go when agents use Firecrawl tools. Equals 3. Discovery is asked for about 3 rival URLs, not an endless list. ENS is a Python list with 2 strings Perplexity AI-Sonar Pro and XAI. The Streamlit select box reads this list. Config is done. Tiny file, big clarity. Defaults live here so the other modules stay readable. Open RivalForge/schemas.py. This is the contract Firecrawl extraction must fill. We import list from typing, then base model and field from pydantic. Class CompetitorDataSchema inherits from base model. Every extracted rival should match this shape. Competitor name is a string field whose description says name of the company. Pricing is a string field for pricing details, tiers and plans. Keyed features is a list of strings for main features and capabilities. Tech stack is a list of strings for technologies, frameworks and tools used. Marketing focus is a string field for main marketing angles and target audience. Customer feedback is a string field for testimonials, reviews and feedback. Why does schema matters is simple. Without a schema, a crawl dump is messy prose. With a schema, comparison and analysis get clean fields. Now open RivalForge/agents.py. This is where the Agno specialists are born. We import agent from Agno agent. That class is one specialist with a model and tools. Models. OpenAI. That wraps GPT-4o, DuckDuckGo tools, Exa tools and Firecrawl tools from Agno tools. Those are the toolkits agents can hold. Then we import OpenAI from our config module. First factory is create a competitor finder agent. It needs an OpenAI key and an Exa key. It returns and whose model is OpenAI chat with OpenAI module and the OpenAI API key you passed in. Tools equals a list with Exa tools. Category is company and num results is 3, so Exa hunts company like results. Markdown equals true, so answers can use clean formatting when needed. It is a competitor finder. Use Exa tools. When given a URL, find similar companies. When given a description, search for matches. Is strict. Return on the URLs one per line with no additional text. That keeps parsing easy later. Next factor is clear crawled agent. It attaches Firecrawl tools with scrape false, crawl 2 and limit 5 plus DuckDuckGo tools. This helper agent is available in the package for crawl centric work, even though the Streamlit path uses the direct Firecrawl extract function for structured fields. Entry analysis agent. It is a lean agent with OpenAI chat and markdown true, no tools required. In reports. Py. Read competitor JSON and write strategy, not crawl the web again. Finder for Exa discovery, Firecrawl helper for crawl tool use, analysis agent for the final report. Open RivalForge/discovery, Py. This module turns your company's signal into rival URLs. We import typing helpers request, Streamlit as agent and run output from Agno. ETAS, PTALIDV medial and Perplexity Exa URL from config. First helper is the builder discovery prompt. It builds one user message from URL, description or both. And description exists, the prompt asks a PTI to ask competitor URL similar to that company and demands URLs only. Exists, the prompt still asks for similar company URLs only. If only description exists, the prompt asks for matching company URLs, still URLs only. That private underscore function keeps Perplexity and Exa prompts consistent instead of copy-paste drift. Next function is find competitors via Perplexity. It builds a JSON payload with model Sonar Pro. Messages has a system line that says be precise and only return may x compy to ask company URLs or NLI. The user message is the discovery prompt we just built. Max tokens is 1000 and temperature is 0.2, so answers stay tight and less creative. Headers set authorization as bearer plus your Perplexity key and content type as application/JSON. Requests post its PyPy executive while URL with that JSON those headers and a 60-second timeout. On success, we rated choices 0 message content split on news lines, strip blanks and sliced to MPT to ours. On failure, Streamlit shows an error and we return an empty list so the UI can stop gracefully. Exa. If a URL exists, the prompt asks for max 2 rows similar company URLs, one per line. If not, the prompt uses the description instead, same URL, only discipline. Run executes that prompt and we keep only lines that start with HTTP. Again we slice to max compy data and errors become a Streamlit message plus an empty list. Public interpreted else, if neither URL nor description is given, it raises value error with a clear message. If the search engine string is Perplexity AI-Sonar Pro, it calls the Perplexity path. Otherwise, it calls the Exa path with the Finder agent you built earlier. Discover engines, one contract about 3 rival URLs out, open RivalForge/extraction, py. This is where Firecrawl fills the schema. Is a multi-line string that asks for company name, pricing, key features, tech stack, marketing focus, and customer feedback. It also tells Firecrawl to analyze the entire website content for each field, not just the homepage headline. Helper.field value reads a key from either a dict or an object attribute with the default if missing. That matters because Firecrawl response shapes can vary and we do not want the pipeline to crash on a missing attribute. Function extract competitor info takes a competitor URL and a Firecrawl appear key. First it builds Firecrawl app with that key. Extract is called with a list containing the competitor URL plus a */ so related pages can be included. MPT and schemas CompetitorDataSchema. Model JSON or schema. The JSON schema Firecrawl should obey. If the response is not successful or has no data, we return none so the Streamlit loop can mark that rival as failed. When data exists, we pull keyed features and text a stack, then build a plain Python dict for the rest of the pipeline. Pricing, marketing focus, and customer feedback use field value with NTA defaults. Keyed features and text stack keep at most 5 items each so the comparison table stays readable. Competitor URL is stored on the dict too, so every row remembers which site it came from. Any exception returns none. Extraction prefers a clean miss over a half broken crash. Now open RivalForge/reports.py. Comparison table and strategic analysis live here. A truncate shortens long text to about 100 characters with an ellipsis so table cells do not explode. Generate a comparison report takes the list of competitor dicts. If the list is empty, Streamlit shows an error and returns early. Otherwise, we loop each competitor and build a row with company, pricing, key features, tech stack, marketing focus, and customer feedback. Company concatenates name and URL, features and tech, join the first 3 list items for a scannable cell. Then subheader says competitor comparison, and dataframe renders a pandas dataframe at full width. An expander labeled view raw competitor data shows the full JSON when you want the untruncated truth. Generate analysis report takes competitor data and the analysis agent, JSON, then asks the agent to identify market gaps, weaknesses, unique features to build, pricing ideas, growth segments, and actionable go to market moves. The prompt ends by focusing on differentiation and unmet customer needs, not a bland summary. Finally, it returns report. Content, the markdown strategy Streamlit will display. Reports done, table for humans, narrative for strategy. Switch files to app. This is the Streamlit stage manager that wires every module. We import Streamlit as then the agent factories, config constants, discovery, extraction, and report helpers. Config sets pager title to app done AMM, pager icon to a magnet emoji, and layout to white. Title shows RivalForge AI, and the caption credits Sharad Khare with site and GitHub links. An info box explains the pipeline in one sentence. Discover, extract with Firecrawl, compare, then strategic reports. A success tip says for best results, provide both a company URL and a short 5 to 6 word description. API keys. Password inputs collect OpenAI and Firecrawl keys. A select box label selects endpoint reads CERCHENGNIS, so you pick Perplexity or Exa. We ask for a Perplexity API key. Otherwise, we ask for an Exa API key. Keys ready starts as OpenAI and Firecrawl present. Then we also require the search engine specific key. If keys are missing, the sidebar warns you and stop freezes the app until keys arrive. Main inputs are a text input for company URL and a text area for description when URL is missing. If Exa selected finder agent equals create a competitor finder agent with OpenAI and Exa keys. Analysis agent always create analysis agent with the OpenAI key. When you click analyze competitors, we first check that at least URL or description exists. Then a spinner says fetching competitor URLs and get competitor URLs runs with the chosen engine and keys. Becomes an error and stop. Empty URL lists also error and stop. Each discovered URL, a spinner says analyzing competitor index of total, then extract competitor info runs. Success appends the dict and shows a green message. Failure shows an error for that URL and continues. If every extraction fails, we stop with a hint about rate limits, access restrictions, or invalid URLs. When at least one rival succeeds, we celebrate the count, generate the comparison table, then generate the analysis report. The report lands under a competitor analysis report subheader as markdown, and a final success says analysis complete. Config names defaults. Schema shapes extraction. Agents and discovery find rivals. Firecrawl fills facts. Reports compare and advise. App.py is the desk. Let me walk 4 learning examples so the pipeline feels real, not abstract. URL company. COM plus test description B2B project management SaaS. Discovery should return 3 project tool rivals, then pricing and feature rows appear. To description only. AI powered customer support chatbot for e-commerce. Exa or Perplexity must invent the landscape from words alone. Only Notion. So the engines infer category from the live brand. Then Firecrawl fills structured cells for each rival. Example 4. After the table lands, read the analysis report and ask yourself which gap is cheapest to ship this quarter. That is how founders use the output. Why this pattern is one lonely chat is simple. Discovery stays URL, disciplined extraction stays schema, bound comparison stays tabular, and analysis stays evidence based. Who is RivalForge for? Startup founders mapping a competitive landscape before a pitch. Product managers benchmarking rival features and pricing without a week of tabs. Marketing teams studying positioning language and customer pain points on rival sites. And developers learning multi-agent plus web extraction patterns with a real Streamlit app. To run it yourself, clone GitHub. com/Sharad Khare/RivalForge A. Change into the folder, then install dependencies from requirements. Texty with pip. You will need an OpenAI key, a Firecrawl key, and either a Perplexity key or an Exa key matching your search endpoint. Py. Open the local URL, paste keys in the sidebar, enter URL or description, and hit analyze competitors. Watch discovery list 3 rivals, watch each extraction succeed or fail, then read the comparison table and the strategy markdown. Signal in, discover 3 URLs, extract schema fields, compare rows, analyze gaps, report out. When the next competitor research pile starts growing on your desktop, do not open 20 more tabs. Spin RivalForge once and leave with a table and a plan.